Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I want to talk about what happens when you stop uploading regularly to YouTube. So I'm going to be comparing my two YouTube channels. This channel that you're on right now, this is what I call my personal channel, and then my other channel, which is my business channel. It's called Borsellino Carpentry. And if you want to check out that channel, there'll be a link down in the description, and go check it out. That channel is very niched down. It's all about how-to videos. I do tool reviews, home repair stuff, DIY stuff, everything in that realm of stuff, as well as snow plowing videos. Everything to do with my business, my construction business. And on this channel, it's been all over the place, totally not niche down. The closest niche down I got was doing a string of a whole bunch of tech videos, but I've done meditation videos, I've done mental health videos. The last video I posted, I was playing Call of Duty, which is a video game. So it's kind of all over the place on this channel. This channel you're watching now has 582 subscribers, and my carpentry channel has 3,237 subscribers. So there's some big differences between the two of them, and I want to show you the analytics between the two of them from the last year, just so you can see side by side the difference of niching down, posting regularly every single week, and this channel where I'm not niche down, I post very irregularly, no rhyme or reason to it, and take long breaks, and let's just show you. All right, I'm gonna start off with my carpentry channel just so you can see what it looks like when you post consistently and you're niched down and doing everything basically the way that the YouTube gurus say to do it. So as you can see here, it's pretty consistent all the way along. There's like, it goes down a little bit and goes up a little bit, but there's all these peaks and valleys here, and I don't know really what causes the peaks and valleys, if it's when I post a video or not or whatever. It's not really what I'm going to get into is the nitty gritty of it, but you'll see here at the end in December there was a downturn in views, and I'm not sure why. Maybe December is just a slow month for YouTube. Everybody's busy getting ready for holidays. I don't really know, but anyway, the videos started to see a downtrend. So when I go to my other channel, which I'll do right now I'm on this channel that you're watching now, and you can see this graph looks totally different. The other one was like pretty flat straight across, and on this channel I've seen pretty steady increase, and I'm not niched down. I'm doing videos on a lot of different things, trying to just see what sticks and what I like to do, and figuring out the direction of what this channel is really going to be. And I didn't really want to niche down on this channel. I wanted to do all of the stuff that I couldn't do on my main channel over here. And on my other channel, it was pretty flat straight across, and you can see here it's not. So back when the channel was new, I wasn't getting a lot of views and started seeing pretty quick increase here. And then I just stopped posting for a while here, and I started seeing it drop back down drastically until I posted again. And then it started going back up again and going back up again, and it's going pretty good. And I stopped posting again right here, and it dropped a little bit. And then I posted one video, and then I took another break, and it kind of dropped, but didn't really drop terribly. And then when I posted again, I saw another uptick and then a little downtick. I'm not sure what the downtick here was about. Maybe the video sucked. I don't know. And then I posted again, and I saw a little bit of a spike a couple weeks later, but nothing major, right? It was pretty just flat. And then when I started posting again, it started going back up again. Now, I don't know if I posted more regularly, if that would have just taken off, or if it would have flatlined like the other channel did. I don't know for sure. But what I do know is that by me not posting regularly, I saw a lot of ups and downs. And when I didn't post, it didn't really gain any traction. But I did notice when I came back, it started picking up again. So it makes me curious if on my other channel, if I stopped and skipped a week, if it would flatline, and then when I came back, I would see a boost. I don't know, and I'm not sure I really want to test it on my other channel, but I just find that interesting. Because again, in this one period here where I was posting regularly, I saw a little growth, but it was pretty even. It wasn't like big spikes or anything. It wasn't until I started skipping weeks and missing big blocks of time that it started getting really erratic. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. It was helpful for me to see the side-by-side of those. So if you got anything of value out of that, make sure you give the video a thumbs up down below. And if you're interested in more videos from me, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure to switch that to all. That way you can be notified of all my new videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about analytics. Are you into analytics and figuring this stuff out and figuring out how to make your YouTube channel better? I love talking about this stuff, so I get back to everybody. Leave me a comment. Let's chat. Let's talk about analytics. And one last thing, I just want to say thank you to my top patrons on Patreon, Kate Ramoney, Diana Markowitz, and Trisha Wagner. Thank you so much for your continued support. It really means a lot to me. And if you're interested in joining my Patreon fan club and getting a bunch of exclusive content, you can just sign up by clicking the link down in the description or going to patreon.com/Nick Borsellino. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.